Farmington and San Juan County are lighting up this holiday season with luminarias. Mark your calendars for River Glow, the San Juan College Luminarias, and the Evening of Lights at Aztec Ruins National Monument. And the Northwest New Mexico Arts Council presents Welcome to My Navajo Code Talker, a First Friday event highlighting the history and roles of the Navajo Code Talker on Friday, December 6th. You're watching the Local News Roundup brought to you by M&R Plumbing and Durango Motor Company. I'm Connor Shreve. Light up the holiday season at Berg Park Friday, December 6th from 6 to 8 p.m. Walk along the Animas River Trail bedecked in luminarias with a cup of hot chocolate and music provided by local singing groups. Along the way, see if you can spot Santa, the Grinch, and various Christmas trees. There will also be a live nativity scene along the path. The event is free and open to the public. Want more luminarias? Come celebrate the season at San Juan College on Saturday, December 7th. San Juan College's 46th Luminarias display begins at 5 p.m. for walkers and 6 p.m. for the drive-through visitors. Those coming for the walking experience can choose from parking in one of 3 designated lots on campus, or you can use the Park and Ride Red Apple Luminarias trolley between Piedra Vista High School and the college. KSGE 90.9 FM will broadcast your favorite Christmas carols, and weather permitting, the San Juan College Planetarium will host its annual Luminarias Stargaze from 6:30 to 9:30 near the Connie Goach Theater. Want some luminarias to bring? To light up your home? Stop by the college Sunday before 9 a.m. to collect leftovers. Aztec Ruins National Monument will light up the Aztec West Great House with hundreds of luminarias in a melding of new and old traditions. Come and enjoy the monument in a new light Friday, December 13th from 6 to 8 p.m. Bring your camera and a flashlight and bundle up for the walk around the Great House. The event is free and open to the public. The Northwest New Mexico Arts Council invites you and your family to the First Friday event on December 6th. Welcome to My Navajo Code Talker from 5 to 7 p.m. The event at Connect Space is great for an introduction to the Navajo Code Talkers or for those who want to learn more. Author Danielle Burbank will be selling and autographing her book, Navajo Code Talker, at the event. Burbank wrote the book as a way to introduce elementary school students to the Navajo Code Talker program and provide insights into the roles the Code Talkers played in World War II. Learn more about these and other stories at farmingtonlocal.news. Thank you for watching this edition of the Local News Roundup. I'm Connor Shreve.